Greetings. Today I'm going to walk you through the functionality on the dashboard for WBQuote. First thing you'll notice at the top of the screen is which account you're logged into. Right now I happen to be logged into my California license, but if you wanted to switch between California and Nevada, you simply go here and select your Nevada license and say OK. And when you come back, your quotes will be switched to all of the quotes that you've quoted in Nevada. To switch back, you simply click the change account, click back to California, and now you can quote California quotes. Within the quoting page, you can see your list of quotes. You can sort by quote name, group name, the last time it was updated, or the status of the quote simply by clicking there. Updated will switch from first to last. So this will sort them in the order in which they were last run. You can also search by name, and within the list, by clicking any of those quotes, that quote will come up. You also have the ability to switch between your recent groups that you've quoted or the recent quotes. Now, each time you run a quote, that quote will be listed under that group. So here you can see how many employees each of the groups have, and then how many times I've run each of those groups a quote. There are 3 different types of quotes that we run. There are EC, summary, and custom quotes, and they will be tagged within the product type. So here you can see I've run an employee choice quote for medical, dental, and vision. This is a custom quote for medical, and this is a summary quote for medical. Within the quote dashboard page, you do have an actions button. If the quote is completed, get to a completed quote, you have the ability to export the quote. You can view the PDF that was run, or you can send the quote to somebody with an email address. You can view the providers that have been set up with that group. Here are some of the doctors I have set up within this group. And you can actually enroll this group and send the data over to California Choice, Ease, or GoCo from our system. You also have the ability to run new hire worksheets by clicking the new hire worksheet button. And just as before, by starting to type in the group name, you can select a specific group you were working for, and it will bring in the data for that group, including the SIC code and the zip code. All you'd have to do is select the group's effective date, and then add their birth date, what date they're going to be getting coverage, and what zip code they're in. You're going to go ahead and save that. You'll go to your next step. You'll select the carrier they're with. And which plans they have. And then their contribution. Once you have all that set up, you simply click next, and the system will email you your new hire worksheet. You also have the ability to generate rate tables from any of the plans within our system. Simply click the rate tables button. Again, you are allowed to look up a group name. It'll bring in all the information from your group. You find the effective date that that group got coverage. You select the carrier that you'd like to see rate tables from. And then select your plans by package. You can send them by email or downloading it in PDF or Excel. And the system will generate your rate tables. And that's the functionality. There's your rate tables. That's the functionality for the WBQuote dashboard.